Have you ever wondered why we close our eyes when we sneeze? You'll never guess the real reason. Sneezing is one of the weirdest things we do, but did you know your body forces your eyes shut every time? Here's why. When you sneeze, the pressure from the explosion of air leaving your body could actually harm your eyes if they stay open. Closing them is your body's natural way of protecting them. Cool, right? And here's the wild part. No matter how hard you try, it's nearly impossible to keep your eyes open while sneezing. If you can, you might just have a superpower. Crazy how our bodies work, right? For more mind-blowing facts about everyday things, hit subscribe, and let's uncover the mysteries together.